Okay, like we always say, seeing is believing. These are the products that we have as MPG Extreme Zambia. We always talk about them, but this is the X Cup, which can take you up to 45 liters, 20 to 45, or 45 to 75. We will teach you how to use them, and these are the mini motors, 8 liters. Younger drivers, minibus drivers, those personal individuals who put less, up to 8 liters, this can help you. And these we have got cramps for those with big buses, trucks. If you put this up to 455, and you'll be able to save up to maybe 90 liters using this. Just one of these, it will give you 90 liters extra if you fill up your tank up to 455. Please contact us, get connected to this real network marketing company where everyone benefits and everyone is a winner. Thank you very much and good day.